Hey guys, welcome to my channel. To get the full benefit of this channel, make sure that you are subscribed, your notifications are turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so if you are watching my channel, then you are a reader. And if you are not yet a reader, then guess what? You will soon become one. Because that's what we do here. We eat, breathe, and live books. So go sit in a comfy seat and give me about 5 minutes of your time, because I have a fantastic book for you. The book I would like to showcase today is Fox and I, and it is by Catherine Raven. When Catherine Raven finished her PhD in biology, she built herself a tiny cottage on an isolated plot of land in Montana. She was as emotionally isolated as she was physically, but she viewed the house as a way station, a temporary rest stop where she could gather her nerves and fill out applications for what she hoped would be a real job that would help her fit into society. In the meantime, she taught remotely and led field classes in nearby Yellowstone National Park. Then one day she realized that a mangy-looking fox was showing up on her property every afternoon at 4:15 p.m. She had never had a regular visitor before. How do you even talk to a fox? She brought out her camping chair, sat as close to him as she dared, and began reading to him from The Little Prince. Her scientific training had taught her not to anthropomorphize animals, yet as she grew to know him, his personality revealed itself and they became friends. From the fox, she learned the single most important thing about loneliness. We are never alone when we are connected to the natural world. Friends, however, cannot save each other from the uncontained forces of nature. Fox and I is a poignant and remarkable tale of friendship, growth, and coping with inevitable loss, and of how that loss can be transformed into meaning. It is both a timely tale of solitude and belonging, as well as a timeless story of one woman whose immersion in the natural world will change the way we view our surrounding, each tree, weed, flower, stone, or fox. All right, so this is going to be a book that is good for your soul. This is a book I am definitely going to do a review on. I feel that nothing does your soul better than getting out there in nature and surrounding yourself with the elements. It is a natural pick-me-upper. It just makes you happy to see all the wondrous creation out there, the blue skies, the green trees, the butterflies, the gentle breezes, everything, just every single aspect of nature. And how awesome is that she pulled up a lawn chair. She didn't get frightened or run away from the fox. And why is this fox turning up every day at 4:15? And how does it know to turn up every day at that time? Why doesn't she get afraid and run away or barricade her doors? Why does she invite herself to sit as close as she could get to the fox and read to him? What could reading a book do for a fox? But it's a true story, and I'm going to find out. I hope you will find out with me. Until next time, I love you. Drink your water, and happy reading.